Mugasomyo mwanche muri Getembe TV nagosogeire andonsi asore ritukore merongevero mutinyi mutangani umwaka 2025 ritukomorayo mochore wense America omoske Donald Trump arache gotiani gubene na gochaka egase gosego soa abisi yaye iriacha kegase no presidenti wense area ya America ikionga CHINSA ISANO na IBERE centra yo wenge nchenga train NYABOGA Wilson Makori crosense meri imanyerere nabo igabiga yanchama ne bichana maringo karacha centra yo wigrano karanso ike ngomanyinga na ari bari kibitu amangana batene keiri Kobwatikana amona maoncherere agendrete kwene kiwase serikali ni ngomo seneta we county ya Kisii omoske Richard Mumaima Onyonga korengana nere igoro ya bosire ni gamotogire bosire koitigose gukana kwegwe mirimo ase serikali ya Kenya Kwanza. Na ekiombe kemo kia vasae korua se county ya Nyamira kemanyika inebuna agenda 2027 igobe sokire na koboria ekegamboro kia EACC gokorobo tuki na gokora obokurumi ase county ya Nyamira anene mono ase oborai bo mugavana we county ya Nyamira amoske mwani nyaribo
7 power. Nyonga corruption, nyonga ufisadi, nyonga. Samarieta yankuru kudiuko mbagi mchomurai wekiombe ya agenda 27 yeroga etwacha akogikeria obokurumi bwa Nyamira county na abananchi baitu banyamira mumanyete wiki ya era ntu abeke camp ase chovis chinene cheyesis toko bwati nga inki yekogera obokurumi okendete Nyamira county tobo boli ESS inki yekogera mokwa egabane egesusure kiororo yo tutaye toko boli county assembly impeachment yeri nyerete bonika abo nyambari ko mu impeach this week on 27 we are coming for you.
Yes. Senate toko saba within 7 days. Also koto taikibeza chiringo cha kwatu makuru wa Senate ngaichire. Chibeza chiringo ikachire gaiga. Usijibeza chirina chio kwa na chirwe keki.
Kwa majina ni Clinton Rira, mojawapo ya viongozi katika agenda 27 county ya Nyamira. Viongozi wetu wa Gusii, tuliona viongozi wengine wakikashifu viongozi wetu wa Gusii kwa kukataa vyo hivyo. Hii imekuwa safari ya 3. Na tungependa kuambia viongozi wetu, let us not be part of a sinking government. Kwa sababu hii serikali imetu undermine to a level pale ambapo kabila zingine na regions zingine zimepatiwa vyeo. Sisi ndio tunachukua zile ambazo zimepaki.
Boniga monoche serikali ngo bangwere. Omo nene bwense akonya gotobo rogo bodio bokoboke amatoronge. Igaera ge bokima urwo wa kodire kwende bwarirwe igendo gete ngi amatoronge. Negendo tugo chayeru ne tutariamu. Tochamo tosegete abasaye baire chikura. Yewe ka 2027 etoke ngaba gushito bwa 3 million votes na into wisaranse message nene.
Na omonogerio mwanene bwa serikali ya Kenya Kwanza moske Dr. Isaac Maura asengwana ya kirari tukoritukurera rero kahokwana nabayiki abariki bamangana ase amagacho ICC moshyo Nairobi nigatogire serikali ya Kenya Kwanza na koboria abakenya gochamo na kumubwatise muraiwense ya Kenya ase amagendraye kocha saba na inji.
Steadfast in delivering the bottom-up economic transformation agenda popular Kenya under the leadership of His Excellency President William Ruto is steadfast in delivering the bottom-up economic transformation agenda popularly known as the Better Plan. This is aimed at unlocking economic opportunities to attract investment and to improve livelihoods for all Kenyans. This commitment has seen Kenya emerge as a global leader in startup funding, attracting $638 million in 2024, representing 29% of Africa's total startup funding, according to the Big Deal Africa. This surge is underpinned by innovative government policies and initiatives, such as ensuring that there is a stable macroeconomic environment for investment, and also the digitalization of our business through the Digital Superhighway Program under the Better Plan, which aims at connecting Kenyans through 100,000 kilometers of broadband fiber optic infrastructure. And also, of course, there is a Startup Act that is very, very crucial. In fact, this superhighway, 100,000 kilometers, we have an agreement with the World Bank where we put in place measures to ensure that we secure 53 billion Kenya shillings in that regard. In a historic milestone,
na togos kabosego cha sense meri semini go bono abalimu bakiyombekerya kupeta anene mona basubati nabo igo bali bamenyete no barema ni go besokire na kuboria abatinene abanyene bekyombekera spatebire ni gabatinene ababwate okunereria asekyombeke anene mono asibatari kubachora buna abatineneri gose abarai asekyombeke ya kupeta.
No representation for persons with disabilities. We were at the mercy of the branches. But with these new amendments for Vihiga ADC 2024, there is representation both at the county and at the national level. We are really happy and would like these amendments to be effected like yesterday.
The amendments, which should have happened by yesterday or by now, also are calling for expansion of leadership. This is through the creation of 8 regional offices. And the regional offices are not there currently. When they are there, they will ensure that services are closer to the teachers at the regional levels, and these positions are gender sensitive, and also they will include teachers living with disabilities. There was an ADC, the Annual Delegates Conference, in December 2024, and this is when the amendments were tabled. And we have delegates, and the delegates that were present, the amendments were tabled to them, and when they were tabled, the delegates were okay, and they proposed for the passing and registration of the amendments. So after that is when we have people going to court to stop the registration, and that is why we are here as teachers and members of KUPPET requesting that the registration.
Na tutigaritega bwenseme yokwanda chisemini gobono mugavana we county ya Mombasa omoske Abdul Samad Nasir esokire na kogikeria igetambukero kyogochigotugutrare na chibasari chirichikwenanwa ne county osina bagavana kagokwana na bachinyomba choburaria moske Nasir nigateba chibasari ekyo nigo chiakonyire abange na nigo chasomira abange asaboririe serikali techi gochitiga gose gochitenenia.
Mtoto aliyoko katika sekondari tulikuwa tunamlipia moja kwa moja. Wale watoto ambao wako katika boarding, watoto takriban 10,000 na tuliwalipia. Sasa leo kuna mmoja anaitwa Controller of Budget kule Nairobi. Na nataka ieleweke ya kwa nikisema Controller of Budget Nairobi simaanishi ya kuwa ni serikali kuu. Katiba ya Kenya kumeweka mmoja anaitwa Controller of Budget, huyo ndo ambaye anasema hii utalipa, hii ulipi. Alilala sijui akainuka upande gani na akaamua ya kwa magavana wasilipie watoto wa sekondari na university fee. Mimi nauliza, hali ya uchumi yenyewe ni hii. Things are tough. Kama sisi tumejipanga na tunataka kusaidia watu wetu, kwa nini uwe nyoka wa mdimu? Wewe kufanya hufanyi na yule mwenye kufanya unamzuia. Wapata kitu gani? Uswahilini huku tunasema mtu kama huyo ni ncha na dalili ya hasidi. Na kama Council of Governors tumekubaliana hivi vita si vita vya Mombasa peke yake, ni magavana wote, na tunaomba maseneta wetu pia watu support katika jambo hili. Ikiwa hamutaki magavana na assembly na ma-MCA wetu tuweze kushirikiana pamoja na wabunge wetu, tujue ni nani ambaye mwenye kuhitaji kusaidiwa. Watoto wetu wasikae katika vibaraza.
Na abaremi b'emisi anene mono ase kampuni eri ya Mumias bono nigo bare na keri bakogokera oko omorai bwense nigatanga mbachikonyora ebonus yabo entanga ni omorai bwense oyo okora etaro yagocha ase kaunti ya Kakamega ase atarera chikampuni ao anene mono ene emigondo y'emisi nigabarire ng'a mbachikonyora ebonus yabo entanga ni korende orobote oru ntogenderete gokorera obwatire na ntochigokoretera ase EKEONGA CHINSA 10 ase nchira yobwikira. Na kerensi ya Kenya kerensi ya Kenya so mwaka 2025 mwaka muya toreri tukorie merongo ebere nigo enseri ya China yachaka gochengera ose yaso omwaka gwechiri bubere merongo ebere n'etano rituko ryarera bagokwana ya Kenya abachina bali bari umucho Nairobi nigo babwatana n'abamwabo gochengera ogoswa omwaka muya.
Over the years, China has become one of the most important strategic partners of Kenya, supporting national development priorities in different sectors of the economy, especially infrastructural development. Gradually, culture and tourism are gaining their rightful place in bilateral cooperations and will contribute to the growth of bilateral relations between our two nations. Cultural diplomacy is a very important aspect for us as two governments, and we shall endeavor to work together in very fruitful partnerships moving forward.
As it was shown on the stage today, different civilizations could learn from each other, complement each other, and eventually benefit each other. In the era of globalization, we're willing to make the Spring Festival a cultural bond to preach Chinese wisdom to the world. Together with countries around the world, including our Kenyan friends, let's implement the Global Civilization Initiative, promote the concept of civilization, of equality, mutual learning, dialogue, and inclusiveness.
China enjoy cordial relations based on mutual trust and respect. Kenya also recognizes one China policy with Taiwan as an integral part of China.
Na omorai omochore bwense America muske Donald Trump ritukoria rero nigara chigotiani gubene na gochaka emiremo buno morai omonene bwense asense ya America kaukwana asobotko bwarero nigo muske Trump agokere gitambukiro kyaye na koiranira aba America asogochamo na komochora buno morai bwense asarireira na chiko bakorene emiremo na kwene kyabuna gochenchi ari ense ya America.
Well, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. We won. We won. Thank you very much, everybody. What a good feeling. We like winning, don't we? Huh? We're going to make our country greater than ever before. Hello, Washington, and hello, America. We're all over America. I'm thrilled to be back with so many friends, supporters, and true American patriots on the eve of taking back our country. That's what we're going to do, take back our country. Tomorrow at noon, the curtain closes on 4 long years of American decline, and we begin a brand new day of American strength and prosperity, dignity and pride. bringing it all back. Once and for all, we're going to end the reign of a failed and corrupt political establishment in Washington, a failed administration. We're not going to take it anymore.
Mancho muregera roboti rogo twani wa komora iwensi ya Amerika muske Donald Trump na rogo chigotoikera mweri w'EKEONGA CHINSA ISANO na IBERE asenchera yo wenge korende ntorgendre gokorobwatira na ntokoretera chuka CHINSA 10 CHINSA IBERE na CHINSA inye chigotwara asenchera yo wekera nutenga NYABOGA magechi kamere twarengenere Wilfred Matundra Wilson Makori nere wenge kurwa sense meri yebimanyire nabo igabiga nyanchama nero bereka kweneke chibicha na marengo kirachira senchira yo wekera nukendra kubwata na gochengera emeroberi ya Getembe TV kubwata anene mono yego chigo cha sembe.